What's up everybody, welcome to another honest comparison video. Today I have this Redmi K60 and Vivo iQOO Neo 7. Well, why have I chosen these two smartphones? Because both of these two smartphones comes with the same price tag. Yeah, in China, both of these two smartphones cost the same. It's 2,999 RMB for 12 plus 256GB variant, which is equivalent to $440 US. So let's check how good is the performance of these two smartphones and which one actually performs better than the other, which one offers better value for money, and which one should you buy among these two. That's the most important part of this video. Well, we will go through all the review process, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, before we start this comparison video, there is another thing I want to share with you. I have already got this Oneplus 11. I have done a comparison video of this Oneplus 11 side by side with iQOO 11, and I have also done two other camera comparison videos of this Oneplus 11. So if you're interested, check those videos. Finally, let's do the unboxing. Let's check what things we have got inside the box of this Redmi K60 and in the box of this iQOO Neo 7. Well, here is everything that I have got inside the box of Redmi K60 and iQOO Neo 7. Redmi K60 comes with a 67-watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Inside the box, I have also got a TPU silicon protective case. Yeah, iQOO Neo 7 also comes with a TPU silicon protective case, but the quality of the protective case of iQOO Neo 7 is way better than Redmi K60. iQOO Neo 7 comes with a 120-watt charger, while Redmi K60 comes with a 67-watt charger. iQOO Neo 7 comes with a very good quality, premium quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable, while Redmi K60 comes with a pretty ordinary, I would say below standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Both of these two smartphones comes with a SIM ejector tool inside the box, so you don't have to worry about that. Well, let's put everything aside and let's check the smartphones. Well, first things first, Redmi K60 and iQOO Neo 7, both of these two smartphones comes with a plastic frame. There is no metal frame. Redmi K60 comes with a glass rear panel, while iQOO Neo 7 comes with a vegan leather panel. Actually, it's plastic which is processed to feel like leather, nothing else. But this vegan leather or plastic, whatever it is, the material is premium quality material and it feels premium in hand. It looks gorgeous. Side by side with Redmi K60, iQOO Neo 7 looks like a premium class flagship, while Redmi K60 looks like an ordinary budget mid-range. The rear camera design of iQOO Neo 7 is also much better looking, while Redmi K60 rear camera design, yeah, it's something new, there is something unique, but I really don't like this design. It feels like unnecessarily protruding because Redmi K60 comes with a mediocre OV64B 64 megapixel main sensor, while iQOO Neo 7 comes with a Sony IMX766 main sensor. So for OV64B sensor, Redmi didn't need to do this type of protruding rear camera bump. I don't know why, but it doesn't look so good, and in-hand feelings, I would say iQOO Neo 7 feels much better, much premium, and definitely iQOO Neo 7 has better build quality. Well, on top there is a big difference between iQOO Neo 7 and Redmi K60 comes with a second speaker. On top there is a big speaker cutout, so Redmi K60 should offer better stereo sound. Both of these two smartphones also comes with a IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. Speaker cutout, USB-C port, primary microphone and dual SIM tray. At the bottom everything is the same. It feels like a copy. All the buttons are on the right side, ear volume rockers and power button all are on the right side, and even the button placements are the same. Wow, that's a big coincidence. As all the buttons are on the right side, there is nothing on the left side. It's a clean slate. Well, once again, I need to mention that iQOO Neo 7 really looks gorgeous and it has this vibe of a flagship smartphone, but Redmi K60 looks a bit ordinary. Which one do you think looks better? Please don't forget to make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas about the outlook and appearance of these two smartphones. As I have mentioned earlier, both of these two smartphones comes with a TPU silicon protective case. The protective case of iQOO Neo 7 is a bit better quality one. The protective case Redmi has provided with this Redmi K60 is truly one of the cheapest protective cases that I have ever seen. Well, here are the smartphones with their provided protective case. It actually doesn't make the phones look better, but offers protection. If you want to get a better resale value after 1 or 2 years, then you should use a protective case with these smartphones. Well, Here comes the specifications of Redmi K60. If you're interested, then you can pause the video and check the specification of Redmi K60. Now, here comes the specifications of iQOO Neo 7. It's the same thing. If you really want to go through these specifications, then you may pause the video and check everything one by one. But there are two things that I need to mention. Redmi K60 has better PWM, 1920 Hz. iQOO Neo 7 has a 1440 Hz PWM, but iQOO Neo 7 comes with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 main sensor, while Redmi K60 comes with a 64 megapixel OV64B OmniVision main sensor. Redmi K60 comes with a 6.67-inch OLED panel. This one supports 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and peak brightness is 1400 nits. This is a 2K QHD Plus panel, 1440 by 3200 pixels resolution, 526 pixel per inch density. On paper, this one sounds like an amazing display panel, but in reality, I don't know why doesn't this one perform like how it should be. Rather, performance of Vivo iQOO Neo 7's display panel is slightly better. Vivo iQOO Neo 7 comes with a slightly bigger 6.78-inch AMOLED panel. This one also supports 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, but peak brightness of iQOO Neo 7 is a bit better. It can go up to 1500 nits, and in real life usage that one actually helps a lot, especially under heavy sunlight. iQOO Neo 7 comes with a FHD Plus display panel, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution, 388 pixel per inch density, but in real life iQOO Neo 7's display panel is amazing. It's truly a bit difficult to express how good it is. If I say black is truly dark, white is pretty bright, and colors are vibrant yet natural, then it won't be enough. iQOO Neo 7's display panel performance is one of the best among all the smartphones in this segment. Yeah, Redmi K60 display panel is also good, and it's really good to have this 2K option, I mean the 1440p QHD Plus option, but after doing a lot of comparison, I would prefer the display panel of iQOO Neo 7. Both the iQOO Neo 7 and Redmi K60 comes with all the standard display features, like both have dark mode, both have eye protection or reading mode, and yeah, both supports 120 Hz refresh rate. Also, both these smartphones comes with color scheme or screen colors. We can select between standard, professional and bright on iQOO Neo 7, while there are different type of options on Redmi K60. It's vivid, saturated, original color or advanced settings. In advanced settings, we can go for original, P3 or sRGB. Redmi actually recommends to use vivid on Redmi K60, while iQOO actually puts the standard as default, but I would prefer this professional screen color on iQOO Neo 7. On top of these standard features, both of these two smartphones comes with visual enhancement or AI image enhancement. Visual enhancement actually optimizes the color and contrast of some pictures for more vivid and vibrant display effect. Redmi K60 comes with MEMC, while iQOO actually have used a separate chip for its display performance. The name of the chip is a bit long. It's Pixelworks Independent Display Chip Pro Plus. Yeah, a bit longer name, but actually this Pixelworks Independent Display Chip Pro Plus works perfectly well, and that's why the display performance of iQOO Neo 7 is better than any of its competitors. As Redmi K60 comes with a 2K panel, we can actually select between 1080p and 1440p resolution. As I have mentioned earlier, Redmi K60 comes with a secondary dedicated speaker on top. That means this one should be able to offer better stereo sound performance. Sound quality of Redmi K60 should be better than many other smartphones in its category. Let's check the sound quality of Redmi K60.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
Okay, after Redmi K60, it's time to check the speaker performance of iQOO Neo 7. But as I have shown earlier, iQOO Neo 7 doesn't have a dedicated secondary speaker. There is a bottom-firing loudspeaker, and iQOO have actually used the earpiece to create stereo sound output. Let's check the stereo sound performance of iQOO Neo 7. You decide by yourself which one is better. But if you wanna know which one is better, then I would say it's surprising and dramatically, iQOO Neo 7's stereo sound performance is better than Redmi K60.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
Well, it's time for synthetic benchmark. I prefer 3DMark the Gamer's benchmark more than Antutu benchmark because 3DMark the Gamer's benchmark actually offers more information and accurate information. Accuracy is more important. Well, I'm gonna run this wildlife extreme stress test. This is a nightmare for almost all these smartphones. Actually, this one will run wildlife stress test in 20 loops. It takes around 20 minutes and yeah, let's check which one actually performs better. Wow, Redmi K60 has managed to get 2150. Yeah, that's the best loop score and the lowest loop score is 2141. Almost no difference. Stability is 99.6%. Almost impossible, really. I'm surprised, I'm amazed. This is out of the world performance. 99.6 stability means no such thermal throttling, no lagging, and this one should offer smooth in-game experience. Well, what about iQOO Neo 7? iQOO Neo 7 actually gets way higher best loop score. iQOO Neo 7 actually has managed to score 2412, that's the best loop score, but the lowest loop score is actually a bit low. It's 1809. Stability rate is 75%, so yeah, stability is an issue. So I'm worried that if we play games for longer period of time on this iQOO Neo 7, then maybe there will be a noticeable lag or thermal throttling. But before we play some games, before we check gaming performance, let's check Antutu benchmark. Personally, I don't like Antutu benchmark, but I know there are a lot of people, a lot of my subscribers and regular viewers, you all wanna know Antutu benchmark score, so let's run Antutu benchmark. Well, Redmi K60 has managed to score 1,055,000 and iQOO Neo 7 has managed to score 1,028,000. The difference isn't so big. I'm surprised to see iQOO Neo 7's CPU performance score is better than Redmi K60 and iQOO Neo 7 also has managed to get a way better memory score, 192,540, while Redmi K60 has managed to get only 159,352. So yeah, definitely iQOO Neo 7 with Dimensity 9000 plus SoC has fought well with Redmi K60, which comes with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. Now let's check real life gaming performance. Well, I have tried to play games, different type of games on both of these Vivo iQOO Neo 7 and Redmi K60 for hours after hours. I have tried to play Genshin Impact, I have played Need for Speed, I have played CSR 2, I have played Real Racing 3, and after playing games for hours after hours, my verdict is iQOO Neo 7 actually offers better in-game experience. If you really want to get smooth gaming performance, then you should go with iQOO Neo 7. On the other hand, Redmi K60 actually offers higher frame rate, slightly higher frame rate, nothing drastic, the difference isn't too big, but you won't enjoy playing games on Redmi K60 for hours after hours. Even if this one has shown that this one comes with a very good stability in 3DMark, in real life Redmi K60 actually gets too hot. It becomes difficult to hold this smartphone on bare hand because the rear panel actually becomes way too hot, and yeah, I have noticed thermal throttling. Like after I have played Genshin Impact for 1 hour, yeah, it starts to drop the frame rate, and also as the display panel isn't a very nice one, I haven't enjoyed playing games on this Redmi K60. But it's totally opposite for iQOO Neo 7. iQOO Neo 7 comes with a better display panel and in-game experience is much better than Redmi K60. Even if in 3DMark the gamer's benchmark it has managed to get 75% stability, I think that 75% is good enough because even after playing Genshin Impact for 2 hours, I haven't seen any type of frame drop. So yeah, there isn't no noticeable thermal throttling or visible lag. So for gaming, I would go with this iQOO Neo 7. It feels like MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus is a bit better optimized for gaming than Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Okay, here comes the most interesting part. iQOO Neo 7's camera performance is really great. I mean, the main sensor camera performance of iQOO Neo 7 is amazing. It performs like a budget flagship, and on the other hand, Redmi K60's camera performance is so poor, it doesn't even perform like a proper budget smartphone. I'm not sure what the people of Redmi have been thinking, but I need to mention Redmi K60's camera performance is really one of the worst among all of the smartphones within its price segment. Anyway, I have taken some photos side by side with Redmi K60 and iQOO Neo 7. You may check these photos and decide by yourself. I'm truly surprised by the camera performance of iQOO Neo 7. This one has actually delivered one of the best camera performance within its price segment. Redmi K60 comes with a 5500 mAh battery and a 67-watt charger. This one supports 67-watt wired charging and 30-watt wireless charging. Vivo iQOO Neo 7 doesn't support wireless charging. iQOO Neo 7 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 120-watt charger. Yeah, iQOO Neo 7 supports 120-watt charging speed. iQOO Neo 7 gets 100% charged within 29 minutes. Redmi K60 takes around 52 minutes to get fully charged. But it's good that Redmi K60 supports 30-watt wireless charging that actually offers much convenience. Even if Redmi K60 comes with a bigger battery, I have managed to squeeze around 7 hours of screen on time from this Redmi K60, while iQOO Neo 7 offers almost 8 hours of screen on time. But if you actually agree to downgrade the screen resolution to FHD plus 1080p, then Redmi K60 also offers around 8 hours of screen on time, which is almost the same as Vivo iQOO Neo 7. Well, if you're gonna use banking applications on your smartphone, then you will need to check this. You will need to check whether your smartphone supports safety net or not. Let's check the safety net status of Redmi K60. Yeah, passed. Now let's check the safety net status of iQOO Neo 7. Yeah, this one has also passed. It's also good to see that both of these two smartphones comes with Widevine L1 certification. That means we can enjoy HD streaming on both of these two smartphones from Netflix or whatever streaming services we use. iQOO Neo 7 and Redmi K60, both of these two smartphones comes with Android 13 out of the box, but there is a big difference between these two smartphones when it comes to Android skin. iQOO Neo 7 comes with Origin OS Ocean in China, and this is the best. You need to trust me, you have to try it by yourself. This is the best Android skin developed by any Chinese brands. Yeah, MIUI 14 is better than MIUI 13, but it's not as optimized and as user-friendly as Origin OS Ocean. But there is a problem about Vivo smartphones. Vivo offers Origin OS Ocean only in China. In global market, they always offer FunTouch OS, which is not as optimized as MIUI 14. As you can see here, both of these two smartphones supports RAM expansion. So if you want to expand your RAM, then yeah, definitely you can do that on both of these two smartphones. There is a thing that I like about this Origin OS Ocean. There is this multi-turbo feature. There are a lot of options like AI acceleration engine, Art++ turbo, central core acceleration engine, network acceleration engine, game acceleration engine, heat dissipation acceleration engine. So actually this Origin OS offers the most optimized performance, and definitely yeah, I personally like this Origin OS Ocean. This is my favorite Android skin. Well, both of these two smartphones, Vivo iQOO Neo 7 and Redmi K60, both comes with in-display fingerprint sensor. Both of these two devices uses old-school fingerprint sensor, and I think it works perfectly okay. Yeah, I feel like fingerprint sensor of Redmi K60 is a bit slower than iQOO Neo 7, but I think you wouldn't even notice it in real-life usage. Both of these two smartphones comes with face unlock option. This is 2D face unlock option. Face unlock option of both of these two smartphones works perfectly fine, pretty fast, pretty smooth. Well, after watching through this video, what's your verdict? Are you gonna buy this Redmi K60 or are you gonna choose this iQOO Neo 7? Actually, iQOO Neo 7 has another variant, iQOO Neo 7 Racing Edition, which comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, but I prefer this iQOO Neo 7 because iQOO Neo 7 actually offers better value for money. Considering the price per performance and specifications, this one is one of the best in its segment. I wanna know, what do you think? What's your verdict? Please make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Also, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.